In this demonstration of tracking expenses, I'm going to be working out of the file that contains both the income tracker and the expense tracker together. Expenses are tracked from within each month's expense tracking worksheet. In this example, the expense tracking worksheet for January has been selected. You'll notice the expense category Home and 3 expense subcategories, House Payment, Property Tax, and Home Projects, have been set up. In the line item rows found within each subcategory, you can enter information pertaining to the expense you wish to track. For example, let's type in Mortgage Company. Tab over to enter the date, and then tab over and enter the amount. Upon hitting enter, you'll see that totals are accumulated for each subcategory, rolled into the category total, and then automatically filled into the appropriate month of the full year budget worksheet.